Hello, so this video will discuss some end of chapter problems dun sa chapter 3 ng book ni Tabag. So we will be talking about fringe benefits tax. Okay? So let's have problem 3.6 number 1. So dito si employer, meron siyang residential house and then ipinapagamit sa branch manager. Okay? Hindi pala, sorry. Restate. Dito pala sa XYZ ay umuupa ng isang residential house. So, siya yung nagbabayad ng upa and then yung house ay ginagamit ng kanyang branch manager. At ang upa per month is 165,000. So, we are asked to compute for the monetary value of the benefit for the month and the fringe benefit tax for the month. Okay, so we'll start with the rent per month na 165,000. Now, kapag renta, ang pinaka-pattern is pagka kasi nirerentahan mo yung property, kalahati nung renta mo is for the convenience of the employer at ang kalahati ay fringe benefit. So, kaya sa 165, kalahati lang yung magiging basis mo ng fringe benefit. So, kunin mo yung 50% niya. So, ang monthly monetary value is 82,500. And then, assuming na yung employee ay, let us say, resident citizen, wala kasing sinabi. Okay, so ang applicable na tax rate sa kanya is 35%. So, yung monetary value niya monthly, i-gross up mo by dividing it by 65%. So, you will have the grossed up monthly monetary value of 126,923. Yan po yung magiging tax base. So, multiply mo siya sa tax rate na 35%. So, the fringe benefit tax in this situation for the month is 44,423.